wait for a moment for people to join, and then I'll begin. Oh my god, that was such a high. I mean, I am feeling the energy. I can feel this energy. Can you feel this energy? And you know, guys, this is the thing. The reason I do all these challenges is because, see, it's like our last video was watched by 83 people. There are 83 people who are feeling good connected to this video in that moment. What happens is that when you are into this kind of group energy, you receive, everyone receives that positivity. So always make it a point to watch these live videos. Always make it a point, if you can come live. Yeah, if you can watch the live video, watch that thing, and make it a point to do your homework during these 5 days itself. Stay in this energy, guys, because I guess you felt that energy, because a lot of you commented that you felt empowering, you felt motivated, you felt clear, and it is going to have an impact throughout the day. Throughout the day, it is going to have an impact on your energy, and when you are in the good energy, you make the best use of it. On the days when I'm feeling high, I get, in just 2-3 hours of time, I get the most of the things done in my business, and then I just go through the day. I read books, that's what I do. I love reading books. You make use of everything, during this time when you are feeling high and high on energy. Okay, so I am not a big fan of astrology because I don't know things about it, so I won't be giving any reply or comment on that. It's like, see, I always believe that you can always communicate things to the universe, and the universe has got you covered. So I don't know, because when you ask it to the astrologers, you don't always believe in them, and even if you believe, you will think, what will happen. So for example, the astrologer tells you that your next year, your 2021 is not going to be good. So it might happen that you will spend your whole 2021 thinking. So this is what happens, that our thoughts are influenced by other people, by our fears and our doubts. So everything that you will do, if you are starting a new business, if you are joining a new job, whatever new thing, even if you are launching a new project, you will do it with the thoughts that it is going to fail. And when you put that energy, you are giving a very clear communication, and you are clearly thinking all the time in all the different ways your business could fail, your love life could fail, you might go through a breakup because somebody told you that you are going to go through a bad year. Getting it? So I don't believe in all these things. I believe in my I believe in my universe. And also, sometimes it happens that you don't get the thing immediately, because let me just adjust because things happen in the divine timing. So before I go ahead, and I'll give you a preview of the intention setting thing, and the importance of intention setting, and then we will do a little meditation. You don't need to be an expert. When it comes to meditation. I'm so sorry. I got distracted. Actually, I just noticed that this holder here, you see this one, it does not have the light. So I just got distracted. I'm so sorry. So I'll even if you're not an expert, even if you're just the beginner in the meditation, I'll give you a very simple. I will teach you in a very, very, very simple way. And it helps a lot. Meditation helps a lot in calming down yourself and to stop yourself from freaking out, basically. Okay, so the step 3, the last one, is to release it to the universe as an intention. So where is the gap? Usually what happens is that you want something, in your head you are thinking that I want this thing. Now for example, if you are at home, you feel hungry. Okay, but you do not say this thing to your mom that I feel hungry. Is she going to give you the food? I mean, she may not, but if you feel hungry, you ask. So the same way, or maybe you want something on Amazon. You go, you search for the things, you compare the products, you figure out that okay, this feature is good, that feature is good, everything is good. You add it to the cart, but you leave at that point. You do not place your order. So this is the gap that we also have, that we want things, but we go to the point of cart. We think about things, we get clear on our thoughts, we say that we want this thing, we add that thing to our cart, but we do not place the order. So to place our order, basically, I know it is in a very simple language, but setting an intention is like placing your order with the universe. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I will repeat, and I will be sharing this thing in half an hour of time as a post as well, and you will receive an email as well. But I will just say it right now. Dear universe, my intention is to manifest. Say for example, I want 10 lakhs rupees. So this is how I will say. Dear universe, my intention is to manifest 10 lakhs rupees in the next 5 days. I can see it happening for me for the highest good of all involved. It is done now. Thank you. The reason I add now is because it is, I will not go into those much details or else you will be confused. But simply when you say now, you give a confirmation to your mind that something is happening in the now moment and not in the future. So that is the reason I always add now after saying this thing. Okay, so are we clear at this point about today's training? This is the time for you to speak. Very quickly, tell me in the comment if you have any question. Sorry. Yeah, obviously, that's what I'm saying, that I'm going to post it. So every day, like we will go through training. Like today, because I gave my introduction, I gave you introduction to manifestation, which was important. You had to understand what is manifestation, and then you will begin to manifest, right? So for that reason, it went a bit, it went a bit longer. But from tomorrow, we will go through the training from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. See, some days we might finish it in 30 minutes as well. So we can keep the remaining 15 minutes for you guys to ask me questions. And also one more important thing, that on day 6, I will be going live and we will do a Q&A round. In that, because you are going through trainings every day, so after 5 days of time, if you feel that okay, but this is one point where I'm still not clear, so during that 6th day, it will be a totally Q&A. I will not teach you anything. You will ask me questions and I will answer. Okay, this is how we are going to go ahead. And at any point, if I do not answer to your comment or question, that is because I'm already going to cover it in that day's training or in the next day's training. So, but your questions will get answered. Yes, you can take a name and you can do this thing. So we will I will be posting it, Dimple, I will be posting it in my Instagram post after 15 minutes of this live video. Okay, and now we will begin our meditation. So let me see if I can put my meditation music. Just give me a moment. And so if you want, just settle down, move a little bit, sit in a very comfortable situation right now. If you are if you are watching the video like holding your phone like this, you can put the phone on side so that it's okay if you cannot see me, or you want, like, you place the mobile in front of you so that you can watch this meditation. Okay, let me just check if I can put on the music. Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music? I'm not so sure. Okay, you can. Awesome. But it's not too loud that you can't hear my voice, right? It is nice, it is peaceful, calm. Awesome. So, this is a very, what do we say? A very basic level of meditation. You don't need training in this, and it is going to be fun. Okay, so everything that I teach is always fun. Okay, I will see how I can record it as a separate meditation and send it to you, but no promises on that because I already have so much going on right now. But I'll see if I can record it as a separate one, so that you don't need to go through this live video every day, but you can just put play on your phone and you can do your meditation, and I will guide you. It will be a guided meditation. So you will begin with, you don't need to control your thoughts. If any thoughts come during this live video, let them flow. Become aware of them. Usually people teach you that meditation is looking at a candle and controlling your thoughts. It is not like that. Okay. So we will begin with our meditation. Okay, awesome. Sit down in a very comfortable position. Close your eyes. If you want to, there is not much that I'm going to do. During this, I will be saying things, you will follow it, and I will keep, at some point, if I'm keeping my hand on my heart, I will say that. So you can totally safely close your eyes and just listen to my voice. Okay, close your eyes. We will take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth slowly. We will take 2 to 3 such deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Now, when you take the deep breath, imagine on your head there is a very beautiful bright white light, and the moment you take your breath, it touches your forehead. This is the most beautiful, most bright and comforting white light you have ever seen or experienced. And the moment you breathe, it touches your forehead. Now every time you take a deep breath, this light is spreading in your entire body, and you scan your body and you see if you feel pain, if you feel heaviness at any part of your body. Take a deep breath. This white light is touching your forehead now. And it is wiping out all the worries from your forehead. All those lines that get formed when you are worried. It is removing those lines. It is now touching your eyes and the back of your head. The white is slowly going to spread in your entire body from head to toe. Now it is covering your mouth, it is covering your face, your chin. It is now covering your throat, the back of your shoulder, your lower back, and it is covering your chest, your stomach, your pelvic area, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your legs, and your toes. Now you can feel the warmth of this beautiful bright light in your entire body. Now take a notice at what points, in what part of your body you are feeling the pain, you are feeling the discomfort. Is your head heavy? Do you feel pain in your head because maybe you are worried about something right now? Are there lines on your forehead because you keep thinking about your problems? Are your shoulders heavy? Do you feel worry in your heart? Or maybe there is pain in your knees? Scan your whole body like this. Now we will take a few deep breaths, and when you inhale through your nose, you will imagine you are inhaling calm, peace, comfort and blessings. And when you exhale, at whatever point you felt the pain, imagine the pain leaving your body physically, and you can imagine it in the form of a black smoke. We will see it physically leaving your body. Take a deep breath. You are inhaling peace, love, joy and blessings. And you are pulling out pain, worries and frustration from your body. Slowly, the pain is moving from your body physically and it is leaving your body. You feel this calm in your body at this point. You feel relaxed in your body at this point. Now, in this moment, when you are feeling this calm, think of your desire that you are wanting in your life with a smile on your face. It's okay if you are not clear on your desire right now. It's okay if you feel the fear right now. Remember, right now you are protected by the light of the universe and you are safe. Think of that thing and say, you can just listen to me. Dear universe, I am releasing my intentions to you and I believe that my manifestation is on its way. I am choosing to believe in you. I am choosing to believe in myself. It is done now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take a deep breath and this feeling, this beautiful feeling, the calm, the peace that you are feeling right now, when you breathe, imagine that it is spreading. This calm, this blessing is spreading in your entire body like, like a firecracker, like the lightning, like a beautiful, spark of joy, peace and blessings, and let it spread in every inch of your body. Take a deep breath. open your eyes at any moment when you feel safe. You are ready to come out of your meditation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. How are we feeling? I mean, if you are still in your meditation, it's okay. Let me just shut the music. Okay, so how did you feel? I'm gonna give you some time to come to the now moment. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And you know, when I say the beautiful, bright, white light, you need to relate it to, a very beautiful feeling. Because it's like, see, the warmth. We all need the warmth. Why? Because when our heart is at fear, we need warmth, we need comfort. We want somebody to hug you, because we say that we want this warmth in our life, we want this love in our life. So this is like a warmth, this is like a tight hug from the universe, right? So remember this feeling now during the day. So today, like, till we start tomorrow's video live training, or for coming all the days of time, remember this feeling. And when you do this meditation, try to relate to this music, and every day when you do this more and more, you will get close to this feeling. And so at any point in the day, when you start to feel worked up, when you start to feel the fear and all those emotions, close your eyes and remember that feeling, that, oh my God, this is how I feel being close to that desire. And trust me, you will be able to calm yourself down. This is what you are going to do. Okay, so it was such a nice time taking this class today. I know it went on for a little bit longer time, but it was important, right? So now I will be making a post. I will be making a post in 15-20 minutes of time, or maybe half an hour of time, with everything that I said in this video. I will be putting a preview, not everything, but I'll be putting up a preview. I will write down what is the intention, how we are supposed to say, and you can refer it from there. And I will see you tomorrow at 11. Make sure to do your homework, and also to remind you of the giveaway. I am hosting a giveaway during this challenge. Every day one person. So during the 5 days, 5 people have a chance to win a one-on-one coaching, 60 minutes of one-on-one coaching directly with me. So in that you can ask me direct questions. You have a chance to win this giveaway. Okay, so I've already posted the steps to participate in the giveaway. What you need to do is, you need to DM, send me a message. What is it that you are manifesting right now? And every day you need to attempt your homework. Okay, you need to attempt your homework, and at the every day you will make a post on your Instagram. I get it, some people follow a specific theme. You can choose any photo. There is no restrictions on the photo. You can take a screenshot of this video, you can take a screenshot of anything, you can write something down. Any photo is fine with me. You can post your own photo, and in the caption mention what did you learn during that day, during that day's training. What did you learn? Mention that thing. It can be in one line, it can be in one paragraph as well, but you will every day make a post that today was day 1 and this is what I learned today, and you will tag me. You will tag me in that post, because if you do not tag me, how am I going to see that? And you have to do it every day. You have to follow it for the 5 days, and if you miss on one day, you can, next day you can make 2 posts, but this is allowed only once. Okay, so at the end of the challenge, I will pick up 5 people, and 5 of them are going to win 60 minutes of one-on-one coaching with directly me. So you can ask you can ask your questions directly and I will be answering to them. So it was really fun, guys, taking this live training today. And if you have any questions, you can note it down. You can put it like, I will be every day, I will be making a post day 1. So in that, you can post your comments as well. Yes, I will mention the homework and anything that is important for that day. I will mention. That is why I asked you for a time of half an hour, that after the half an hour of this live video I'll do that. Another question is that yes, I will be posting it on YouTube, but it will take time. And this live stays here for 24 hours. So for 24 hours you are safe, and meanwhile I will upload it on YouTube. And every day, I guess every day, so 9 to 10, okay, every day around between 10:30 to 11 p.m. you will be getting an email with the link, with the YouTube link, with the replay, and with the homework and with the question. So you will get it there as well. Yes, you can do it on Facebook. And for some people who were I will just answer, give me a moment. Those people who were confused that where can they attend the video. So on Instagram the training is happening at 11 in the morning. The same training is happening in Facebook group at 9 p.m. I mean, the flow might be different, the energy might be different, but I'm going to teach the same thing. I mean, I might like one or two sentences might change the order of it, but it is the same training. On Instagram 11 a.m, on Facebook 9 p.m. And any other question? Okay, so about the music, I will because I do not own the right to send it to you. I'll figure it out, and I will create a separate meditation for you. I'll figure out a way to get this music to you. Don't worry about it. You can check the Facebook group in my the link is in my bio, and the name of it is Secret Soul Desires, which is the name of my account. Secret Soul Desires, Manifestation and Law of Attraction Academy. If you even search with this, you will be able to join this group. Okay, so it was really awesome doing this training today. And make a post on your Instagram, tag me, tell me what did you learn. You can if during the day when you are doing your homework, if you come up with any question, you can post your question under that day. I will make a post day 1. So under that post you can post your question, and I will cover it in one of my videos, and I will make it a point that your question is answered. Okay, so I love you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Okay. I will be posting Navdisha. So I will be posting a replay to YouTube, and I will share the YouTube link with you, because I know the live will not stay after 24 hours of time. So if you miss watching any day's video, or if you want to go through it again, because the previous live that we went through, the 60 minutes are gold. I mean, there is so much of content for you. So if you want to after a month you want to revisit the content, you can refer to that YouTube video. कल वाला भी नहीं था, कल कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं थी. Yesterday it was just a live video to tell people the challenge started today. So कल कुछ था ही नहीं. The challenge started today, and you have not missed anything. It was just a random video to remind people about the challenge is starting. So yes, I love you guys so much. Stay safe. Stay in home. Don't go outside to buy groceries every day. Just make a list and then go. Stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you tomorrow on Instagram at 11 a.m. sharp. Bye.